Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary from Delhi. I welcome all of you on my channel, that is on the corporate law discussions. So on this channel, we are regularly publishing our videos on the different topic under Companies Act and the other corporate law matters. And we have also published almost 800 editorials on the Companies Act. That is published on the different website. You can search by my name. So today in this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, or we can say very crucial topic, that is leading to the due dates. Whenever as a professional we enter into a new month, there is always a question in our mind, what are the due dates for this month? So for that purpose, we have written this new editorial number 773, MCA Due Date June 2022. In this video, we will discuss about the due date as well as key points we should be aware about those forms which are having the due dates in the month of June. So let's discuss one by one the due date of this month. First due date of this month is form DPT3. DPT3 is for return of deposit. Return of deposit or return of particular not considered as deposit. DPT3 की जो actual due date होती है वो होती है 30th June. And there is no extension till now for the DPT3. So 30th June is the we can say due date for the DPT3. If a company file DPT3 after 30th June, then on the 1st July they will have to pay 2 times of additional fees that will increase as per the time of delay. Next due date is CSR2. CSR2 form is a newly launched form in 2022. It is on the report on CSR. The actual due date of this form was 31st March. Then Ministry have extended the due date of this form till 30th May. Now, again, the due date of the CSR2 has been extended by the Ministry to 30th June 2022. And there is no additional fees for the CSR2 form. Then third due date of this month is LLP 11. LLP 11 is the annual return of the LLP. The actual due date of the annual LLP 11 is every year is 30th May 2022. But this year, due to transition of the MCA side from V2 version to V3 version, many LLPs are not able to file their form. That's why Ministry have extended the due date of the LLP 11 up to 30th June. So up to 30th June, company LLPs can file their LLP 11 for the financial year ended 31st March 2022 without any additional fees. Fourth is other LLP forms. As we know, there is a transition period is going on in MCA website for the LLP since 25th February. So due to this transition period, many LLPs are not able to file their many forms which are having due date between 25th February to 31st May. So Ministry have given extension to all LLPs to file all those pending forms which are having due date between 25th February to 31st May till 30th June without any additional fees. So these are the 4 due dates for the month of June 2022. Let's discuss key point one by one for each and every form. Key point for the DPT3. First, it is a e-form. It is not a web-based form. This form is required to file by all the companies if they are having any loan, any deposits or any advance as on 31st March 2022 in their books. And the detail, whatever you will mention in DPT3, that should be audited. Means the detail should be matched with your financial statement. DPT3 is not applicable on the some companies like banking companies, NBFC companies, housing finance companies, and government companies. These companies are not required to file DPT3 form. And this form is not required to certify by a professional. And this form has having some remote buttons like you are filing for deposit, you are filing for particular not considered deposit, or you are filing for deposit and particular not considered deposit. So everyone should choose the remote button very wisely. Second is CSR2 form. CSR2 form is a web-based form. It is not a e-form. And this form is required to file by all the companies if CSR is applicable of them in financial year 2020-21. If CSR was not applicable on them in 2020-21, then they don't require to file CSR2 for that year. And this form required to mention all the details like contribution made, contribution pending, transfer of amount to the funds, all these information required to mention in this form. And if you are spending your amount and an ongoing project, then this form will generate a project ID also. And the important feature, this form does not have any fees, and this form is not required to be certified by any professional. Third form is LLP 11. LLP 11 is a web-based form. This form will be required to be filed only on the LLP portal of the MCA, that is version 3 portal. Every LLP, whether you are a working LLP, whether you are a non-working LLP, you have to file LLP 11. This form, the ROC fees of this form is depend upon the capital contribution of the LLP. And this form, you have to give the detail of the contribution made by the partner till 31st March 2022. In this form, you require to mention the address of the police station. In this form, you require to mention the interest of the entities of your partner and designated partner. And last one is other form of LLP. As I said, if due date of any of your LLP form falling between 25th February to 31st May, then all those forms can be filed till 30th June on MCA website without any additional fees. So these are the due dates of the company law and the LLPs under for the month of June 2022. Hope you found this video useful. Please like, subscribe our channel and share the link with your colleagues so that they can also update their knowledge. Thank you so much.